Today, we're further exploring the SwiftFox data importer, and in this tutorial, we will be specifically focusing on how you import custom fields and category types. So, let's get started. Custom fields in SwiftFox are found on a contact's profile, and they're used to track key information about your contact. Category types are used to track the category of contacts in SwiftFox. For example, member or non-member. When importing new contacts, you can also import additional data to appear in both custom fields and set category types. To do this, we just need to ensure the columns in our spreadsheet reflect the custom fields we will be importing data to. In this example, we can see that our custom fields include a field titled engagement, and the options are high, medium, and low. We can also see the category type options are member or non-member. So now let's open up our spreadsheet of new contacts we are going to import. In our spreadsheet, we have a column for first name, last name, and email. Now, let's add another column called engagement and another column called category type. Remember, these are the names of the fields we want to update. Now, let's add some information in the cells. Remember, the information must match the options in the custom field in SwiftFox. So now this spreadsheet has data that can be imported straight into custom fields in SwiftFox. So let's head back to the importer. Let's start by uploading our spreadsheet and click Next. Scrolling down, you can see now in our mapping table, SwiftFox has already recognized that the engagement column matches the engagement custom field. The category type field is blank, so we can just select the drop-down and find the correct field. Here we can see category types field. It did not automatically match as the spelling was not identical. Select this and let's import. Review your data and then click Import. Now this has been successful, we can look up our new contact and see their category type is filled out, as is their engagement custom field. Simple as that. Now you know how to import custom field and category type data.